Hello everybody, it's me Rodolfo again. Oil change. Okay, on the CBR, because I didn't install the belly pan, so it's easier. Okay, if you do this in your home, I don't know if you're gonna have access to this guy here. Okay, anyways, 12, okay, 12 millimeter socket, and the oil is here. Okay, so I got this oil kit from Amazon. Okay, comes with the washer, the filter, OEM Honda, and the oil. Okay, so basically stuff, guys. Again, warm up the bike so the oil will get out easier. Okay, it's gonna be hot, so then be careful so you don't get burned. Okay, and the filter is hand tight, so to put an end, so to take it out I use a little tool that has a belt. Okay, but it's fairly easy to remove the oil filter. And now we're gonna start cleaning. So I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna prepare the filter, and I'm gonna put back the washer. So I will stop now, but continue. This video continues. Okay, so wait. Cleaning. So a little cleaning. Right? A little cleaning here, a little cleaning here. Right? Nice and nice. This is the bolt. So a little cleaning here. Nice, nice. Washer. Washer. And nice and tight. So guys, so to do this, okay, we need to put oil here first. Okay, so the oil for the engine, I'm gonna pour some oil here. Okay, to get this filter ready. Okay, why exactly, I don't know. And another thing, see my finger, now I'm gonna get oil And I'm gonna put around the rubber. Is a little rubber here. So I'm gonna moisturize with the engine oil the rubber. Okay, nice, nice, before I start to put it in. So hand tight, okay? So I got closed. Nice, nice. And now hand tight. Okay? So it is hand tight. Perfect. Now I'm gonna be open here. I want to put the screw. You guys see the screw now? So the screw here, put the filter. So now I'm gonna put the oil. I'm gonna open here the dipstick to put the oil. The stick to check the oil level is here. Is this little guy here, okay? That's the stick to see the oil level. But to check, to add oil, I'm gonna use this other one. And of course, it's a oil. See guys, oil. So let me get some funnel. Maybe put this here now, right? This here. No. My funnel is here. Introduce the funnel here. And start pouring the oil. So guys, who watch the channel will know me better and will know that I don't like to put too much oil, okay, on any engine, because too much is terrible, you know. So I'm gonna let this oil to sit, okay, to get the true oil level later. Okay, give a few minutes to sit it down, the oil. In this meantime, I'm gonna install the bottom fairing, okay, the belly fairing. I'm gonna put the belly as the oil drains down, and then I check the level. I run the engine, let the oil sit, check it again, okay, and I will adding oil as needed to keep in the middle, not on the low portion, not on the top, in the middle, okay? So keep watching.